Realistic AI unboxing videos are finally here. Here's an incredible example from ex-user Justine Moore. He says, AI unboxing videos are here. I generated a new Star Wars iPhone and then created a fake YouTuber to review it. You can make talking heads, but I found the product close-ups plus voiceover to be particularly impressive.
We're going to start, as always, with a look at the box. You've got your standard Apple iPhone box, but they've added the Star Wars logo on the side, which is a nice touch.
All right, let's get it out of the box.
We're going to...
Pretty cool. So she says, I started by uploading a picture of a hand holding an iPhone to image edit mode on ElevenLabs and asked to make the iPhone Star Wars themed. I kept going until I got Nano Banana to edit the model, as the edit model. See the input and output. So here's the original image, and here is the output. Also, I will be making a video on Nano Banana, so be sure to look at that. It's a really cool new image editing model. Then I uploaded the new Star Wars phone to the edit model and asked for it in different settings. I also asked for it to make a Star Wars iPhone box, plus prompted that. For example, put the iPhone in an open box on a white table, or have a man's hand in a gray hoodie holding the box. I took my favorite clips to VO3 for animation. For my video, I used prompts like male YouTuber holding Star Wars iPhone box and reviewing it. He doesn't open the box, and we never see his face. But here's proof that it works for talking heads. All right, and now I'm going to
Let's talk about the stats. This is an iPhone 17 with a new Grade 6 titanium design and 4K FPS video. It's pretty steep at $1,500. But let's talk about the stats. This is...
So the only thing that I'll really notice throughout some of these is obviously the boxes change, the artwork changes, but it is all Star Wars stuff. So it is pretty consistent. One of the things that she notes is... eagle-eared viewers may notice the voice consistency. I muted the VO3 videos and used voiceovers generated by ElevenLabs. I picked the Nico voice, which is perfect for a male YouTuber. I did text-to-speech, but you can do voice changer if you want to perfectly sync with a talking head. And that's how she was able to pull it off, which makes a lot of sense. I think VO3's audio, while impressive, for a lot of the voices sound a little robotic, and ElevenLabs definitely sounds a lot better, and it was definitely noticeable in these clips that she shared. So if you take one thing away from this video, you should definitely know that this is possible, and a quick work through on how to actually make it.